Have you seen the little guy on Instagram Reels who cooks things and then right before he eats it he says
Bismillah.
yeah. It's really cute.
If there's one thing I know for sure about Egypt, it's that food matters. Whether it's a wedding, a funeral, a birthday party, or a lunch break at work, Egyptians come together, celebrate, grieve, and give back, all with food. This Western idea that food is fuel would never fly here, since food is so much more than that. I'd like to think I've tried almost every quintessential Egyptian dish at this point, and I've even tried cooking a few, but I've never tried to make loubia, or black-eyed peas, which is one of my favorite Egyptian dishes. Cooking loubia therefore ended up on my Egypt bucket list, so my friend Mustafa asked his mom for her recipe, and that's what we're going to try to cook today. As anyone who's cooked with raw beans will know, you do have to soak them ahead of time, so I put them in some water a few hours before Mustafa came over.
What do we do first?
What do we do first?
Yeah.
We need to set البيست بتاع
ماشي.
لا بس this is not that. We need to boil the loubia
Okay.
and we need to start cooking the meat.
And we need to chop.
What chop? Yes, we need to chop them for both actually.
Yeah.
One
a
for
lot
the
of
meat.
onion chopping.
No, not raw. One for the meat and one for
In my family, we say a sharp knife is a safe knife.
a sharp knife is a safe knife.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so first you want to leave this on.
Uh-huh.
Cut in half. And I feel like onions and garlic are really dirty because they come from the line.
Yeah.
Okay, but then when you're cutting the onion, you want to cut forward, away from you.
Trying this for babies.
I fucked up. How fast can we do
You know.
You have to die.
What?
This is good. This is a good like communication exercise.
I'm so sad that you're leaving.
You want?
Ugh.
Are you crying?
No, you are crying. I'll do the crying too.
Just want to take this opportunity to thank my dear friend Mustafa, who agreed to do this video with me. He called his mom several times during the cooking process to check about the recipe. He also was a very good sport when I was mansplaining how to cut onions and other vegetables. And yeah, he's just a gem of a human being, and I love him so much. And I'm so glad that we have this ridiculous cooking video on the internet to remember a really sweet moment together. So yeah, love you, Mustafa. Bye.
Yes, I do the cooking. No, I don't do the cleaning. That's good, Loubia. Okay. I didn't know I needed loubia.
I'm not mad that I have to eat this for the next 2 weeks.
Yeah, we have made like 1 ton of loubia. Oil and ghee and butter.
You putting oil for whatever it was. I feel like you took the thing and then you just like.
No.
You're like, that's
Just
enough.
like.
I like it.
Me too, it's really nice.
This is like home. It's like cozy.
Yes.
Such a good winter food, I think.
Shout out to Mom's Recipe.
Shout out to Mom's Recipe Farm. Good, we couldn't have done it without him.
I feel healthy.
Bismillah.
أحلى حاجة that you chop the meat.
Stop.
Each
There's
time.
this chef on Instagram that I love, and that's how I learned how to cook the onion. But there was another part of it that I didn't do correctly.
Trends for babies.
I fucked up. I watched a video recently that she was saying like, oh, when you chop vegetables, you want to chop them all the same size so that you get an equal amount of whatever in every bite. So that's why I chopped the meat, because to have it be more similar in size to the loubia.
Fresh coriander is the deal. But you should try it with Mom's okra. It's really good.
Anything made by an Egyptian mom, yeah, I'm gonna love. I can't wait to get your mom's review.
Y'all, the results came in, and Mohammed Mustafa said it was 10 out of 10, and I don't think it gets any better than that. Thank you very much.
She's definitely gonna say it needs more salt. Definitely.
It's like this doesn't have some.
I feel like I accomplished something.
Yeah, honestly. I wish we could make everyone taste the loubia.
I know.
Because we already have plenty of it. I think it's gonna,
Leave a comment if you want us to bring you some loubia.
Yes, definitely have it.
And we will.
Have it on there.
We will send that. Egypt post.
Yeah.
Post up.
Boston. Okay.
Bye.
Ciao.